definitely wear something that you don't mind getting dirty. Today, I want to see if I can clean this disgusting, filthy barbecue for $5. All of these items here are household items: dish soap, baking soda, tinfoil, aluminum foil, some rubber gloves, and some scouring pads. These grills need to soak while I'm cleaning the rest of the barbecue, because the longer than they soak, the easier it is for me to clean. Find a large tote or a container that lets you lay down these greasy grills flat, and layering with the dish soap will work best. Then move your bin to the side, add your hot boiling water, and just let it soak. I want to cover these burners with tinfoil. Since I'm going to be using some baking soda and I'll be washing this down with water, I want to protect the burners. Since I'm already replacing this burner bar, I just need to make sure that these screws get clean so that I can take off these ones, which I'll be keeping. Take a little ball of tinfoil, use it like a scraper, and this can just go into the garbage. This small hole leads to a drip tray. The drip tray is too small to hold all of this. I'm using this tinfoil here so that I can just collectively put all of my scoops onto one. It helps contain it, and also it's less messy. And you can just ball it up and then put it in the garbage. I use my barbecue 365 days in the year. I don't clean out this barbecue often, obviously. However, I think maybe once a year I clean out this barbecue. Depending on how much fat is on the meat that you're cooking, your barbecue can remain relatively clean, or it can get extremely dirty. If you have too much of a buildup, you can get grease fires. And a grease fire in a barbecue can get out of control quickly. So I have the grills and the flavorizer bars soaking, and everything that was loose, any of like the big pieces, the char, the grease, the dirt, the grime, the debris, everything that was inside of this barbecue is now in the garbage bin. My next step is taking baking soda and creating a paste. I will put this paste around on the inside of the barbecue and outside on the stainless steel. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Baking soda is probably one of the cheapest cleaning products you can use at home. It's natural and it's safe. All I'm doing here is making a paste. Yes, this may seem unusual, but trust the process. Cover the entire barbecue and wait until this paste turns solid. It looks kind of messy, but it's actually sticking quite nicely. Just the right consistency, nothing too watery. I can see some of the baking soda is already turning from a white to a brown, so it's definitely working. And I'm really excited to see what it does after 10 minutes. I'm gonna check on these flavorizer bars. Just create a little ball, just enough so there's little edges. So this is side one. I haven't touched this part yet. And side number two is a lot more smooth. Just using tinfoil. It's so dark, this water. It's so gross. I'm just rinsing off the soap right now. You can see some of the grease just coming through. The baking soda has set. It's dry now. So before I use the hose, I just want to go over the baking soda with some hot water and this scouring sponge. One nice thing I'm really noticing about using the baking soda is that there's no chemical smell. It's not a strong smell, I smell nothing. And it's a lot more pleasant when you're up close and personal cleaning. See all this dirt? It's gonna come right off. Goodbye, grease. Might just make this barbecue look new again. $5 for 30 minutes of my time, and now I have a very clean barbecue. It is much better than it was before. And I'm really happy to know that baking soda, dish soap, and tinfoil will clean a barbecue, and it will clean it really well. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and go clean your barbecue.